Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about stopping being patient and the importance of that. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. I just dropped my brand new course called The Game of Alignment yesterday. I'm so excited to launch it and I can't wait for you guys to dig in and fully get into this understanding of what it means to be happy, just how easy manifesting is, and how to get into the flow to get all of your desires instantly. If you are interested, go on ritakaminski.com/courses or click on the very first link in the description box down below. Can't wait to see you in there. I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best, and with that, let's get into it. One of the main things that held me back before everything manifested into my life was being in the state of patience while manifesting. Especially in the law of attraction community, they used to say you have to practice patience. Many people were manifesting patience, and all that did was manifest for you to be more patient. I really wish that I had this information way back then. The second that I learned about the law of assumption and I learned that what was keeping me was waiting for the things to come, or waiting for the universe to bless me, and waiting for the divine timing to strike my little head and give me everything that I wanted. When I realized that all of that was BS, I manifested everything that I wanted. The pinnacle, of course, was 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And that happened when I decided that I have 100,000 subscribers now. I don't care what I see, what anyone else says, that I'm still going to my 9-to-5 job. I did not give one single shit. I continued being in the state of having 100,000 subscribers, and anything that I could do to remind myself of that, that's it. The rest is history. So I want you to transform your mentality of I am manifesting this to I have it right now. I'm not joking. This isn't a game. I have it right now. I'm not saying this to manifest it. I literally just have it in my 3D. You need to be in the state right now of having it, because time doesn't exist, and whatever you're saying in this present moment is what's going to continue manifesting in this present moment, in this present moment, in this present moment. There's no tomorrow, there's no future tense. Have you noticed that tomorrow never comes? It's because everything is in the now, 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 now. So take advantage of that. Take your state of the wish fulfilled by the balls and say, I have my manifestation now. I'm in a relationship with my SP now. I'm 60 kilograms now. I have clear skin now. I'm with my celebrity SP now. I'm denying all senses that say otherwise. If you are waiting, you're assuming that you don't have your manifestation yet, which contradicts the law of assumption, which contradicts your manifestation. So don't say you're waiting for it, and don't say that you're manifesting it, because you're fully experiencing it now. What is the difference between trusting and waiting? When you trust, you're trusting that it's already yours, you're trusting in yourself and your abilities, and you're trusting in the law of assumption. Waiting comes from lack. You are constantly checking that it's here, versus when you trust, you are confident that it is here right now. You're not waiting, you're not checking. Waiting comes from lack, trusting comes from certainty. You need to stop looking for signs. You need to stop looking for physical proof, and you need to stop looking at BBLs. Constantly checking for results reinforces the belief that it's already there. That's obvious. But checking for signs, you're consistently telling your subconscious mind that you don't have your manifestation yet and you need validation. And the only validation that you should be getting is from yourself and from your mind. The only way that we fix that is by just simply affirming, I actually have my manifestation. Whatever set of affirmations you have, I suggest only one. Say it. say that shit. Instead of when I see 111, that means that I'm getting my manifestation of 1 million subscribers soon. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm going to use that as a placebo effect and say, yes, I have it right now. Thank you so much, universe. And I'm going to use that as an alarm clock to affirm some more that I do have 1 million subscribers. But when I come from the energy of, oh my God, I'm so happy that the 111 is here and I'm looking at the angel number 111, that means that it's coming. You're consistently bringing yourself back to it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. You don't want to ever be in that state. That is very dangerous. It's just undoing all of the hard work that you put in for this manifestation. Don't go back. Do not go back to the law of attraction. You have it right now. Use the angel numbers as support, but do not use them in the sense where I don't have it and I feel better now because it's coming. No, I have it right now. Thank you, universe, for supporting me. I feel very led and supported and guided for my best life. But this manifestation right here, I have it right now. Shift from where is it to, of course, it's mine. Anything that goes against I have it right now, throw it in the trash. When you truly assume patience is not needed, because what are you waiting for? You already have it. So you're just enjoying your life. You're enjoying your manifestation. We want to move from hoping to knowing. So use that impatient feeling as energy and as fuel and as an alarm clock to remind yourself that you have it now by affirming it again. So here is your reminder. Stop being patient. Assume that it's done right now. You don't need to wait. You don't need signs. You just need to know. Stand firm in your manifestation. Be confident. Decree it into being. Don't take no for an answer. Do not take a plan B as an option. You have what you want right now. That's it. Period. In summation, I want to be very clear. If you want any desire, you can literally manifest it instantly. 3 days, a month, or 6 weeks at most. And a big chunk of that has to do with how you're seeing your desire and your life right now, and your relationship to that desire, and vice versa. That is to say, do you believe you are waiting for it, or do you believe that you have it? And in a very disciplined way, that you have it. That's all you really need to do. Whenever the patient question pops up, whenever any question pops up in your mind, or a thought that has to do with you not having your manifestation right now, move on straight away by saying your one affirmation, to keep it as simple as possible for you. So I can have thoughts of, why isn't it here yet? But if I just simply affirm, I have 1 million subscribers, it will come. Because your subconscious mind is going to get you there, to that state. Because you are thinking that you have it now. And then you will have it now. So just continue telling yourself that you have it now, and it will come. And you will shock everyone. And you will be an inspiration to the law of assumption community and to those around you. Do not be patient. Keep affirming. Strike now. And you will get it in 3 days. Now tell me in the comments, what are you assuming is done today? Let's claim it together in the comments. Don't forget to like this video because I know that you loved it. Hit that notification bell. Share this with someone that really needs it. And again, don't forget to check out the Game of Alignment course at ritakaminski.com/courses, or simply clicking the first link in the description box down below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.